most people who attend the Reiki trainings are not in the healing arts profession. Okay, most of them are not massage therapists, or don't have any kind of career in the healing arts. Okay, most people, I would say, are women who are going through empty nest syndrome, or people who are on embarking on a spiritual journey, awakening up to the other facets of their being, want to dive deeper into understanding energy, spirituality, that kind of niche. Okay, if your heart is opening, if you're hearing the call to open up in that way, Reiki is the place to start. Okay, and I'm going to tell you something else, because the question I often get is, I don't have a healing arts practice. I don't have any background. Can I take this class? Yes, yes, yes. The people who come to this class are either, like I said, empty nesters, people on this spiritual journey. I've had police officers, I've had lawyers, I've had death and birth doulas, I've had skin technicians, I've had animal veterinarians, massage therapists, like you can see the diversity and all of the different career paths, because Reiki is versatile. It's a versatile modality. You can blend it into everything or anything that you do, okay? Plus, a lot of people do open up their own healing arts Reiki practice, but most people don't even do that. They take this because they want to learn more about themselves, and they want to learn more about how they can help themselves as well as other people. This is an exploratory course that opens you up into the realm of spirituality. You don't have to worry about if you're going to use it in a career or if you have any background. You don't have to worry about that. This is the beginner course, and it is my honor to be able to facilitate this with you, like to host this class and guide you to open up the door to what is possible, what learning more about all the different aspects of yourself. I've seen breakthroughs with students, okay? I've seen students go to the next level, and I've seen them have 180s. I've seen them completely transform, and wow, it's a blessing to be able to witness that. And then to see how they build communities in their own towns with Reiki and energy work, and to meet new friends and just build this community, okay? So this is a course that I have never had anyone regret taking. In fact, most people actually continue up to Reiki 2, 3, and even Master. Okay, so if you have any questions, please feel free, but just know you don't have to have any prerequisites. You don't have to be prepared. There's nothing that you have to do. Just be yourself and come and be open to learn about what is possible in the realm of healing, and just have an open mind, open heart, and I promise you, you'll be quite surprised as to what you receive and what you learn by the end of the day.